Have you ever wondered about the benefits of sahajayoga? Well, it's time to dive into the world of this unique form of meditation and discover its magic. Imagine a practice that is inclusive, transcending boundaries of age, gender, nationality, and background. This is sahajayoga, a practice accessible to anyone and everyone. It invites beginners with open arms, requiring no prior experience in meditation or spirituality. This means you don't need any special skills or pre-existing knowledge to embark on this journey of self-discovery. Picture yourself at any stage of life, be it as a child, a teenager, an adult, or a senior. Sahajayoga is for you. It is a practice that caters to all age groups, offering its benefits to anyone willing to explore it. Now let's talk about health conditions. Sahajayoga is gentle, making it suitable for most health conditions. However, bear in mind that if you're dealing with specific health issues, it's always wise to consult a healthcare professional before starting any new practice. If you're a curious seeker, someone with a thirst for self-realization, inner peace, and spiritual growth, Sahajayoga is a path worth exploring. It provides a practical, hands-on approach to spirituality that is both engaging and enlightening. But what about belief systems? Well, Sahajayoga welcomes those with open minds, regardless of their religious or philosophical beliefs. It doesn't tie you down to any specific religion or belief system. Instead, it invites you to explore your inner being, to connect with the truth within. In summary, Sahajayoga is a unique form of meditation that is open to all, regardless of age, background, or health condition. It invites curious seekers on a journey of self-discovery, offering a practical path to self-realization, inner peace, and spiritual growth. It celebrates open-mindedness and encourages exploration of one's inner being. Remember, Sahajayoga isn't just about learning, it's about experiencing. It's about discovering the truth within yourself. So why not explore Sahajayoga? See how it resonates with you. Who knows? It might just be the key to unlocking a world of inner peace and self-realization.